Hey everybody, in this video, I'm gonna show you my drill for making perfect, proper divots by hitting the ball first, then the ground, and getting pure iron shots every single time. Well, almost every time. Let's do it. Today we're gonna work on hitting our irons and making proper divots. Like in lies like this. You know, these hard pans. This is a tough shot, but we need to know how to strike the ball first. So we're gonna work on that drill right now. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We're just here to help your game, get you better, work on tips and drills in a different way that's fun, and it takes a lot of the technical aspects out of the swing. So anyways, we're here for you. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get to the drill. Okay, so we have a not so perfect lie, right? But we want to strike the ball solidly. How do we do that? You hear a lot of times, you have to hit down on the ball. You got to hit down. Don't, no. Get that out of your mind, okay? Just the more you come down, like this, if you're coming down, you narrow your window of opportunity. The club only has a little piece of area where it can make a good strike. We still want that wide opportunity to hit the swing. We want to shallow that club out. Still, do we want our hands forward? Look, we want it all to work together. You don't need to be coming down so steep to make good ball contact first. I could have a super shallow swing, but bottom out up here. It's just about where the bottom of your swing is. And that's how we get pure ball contact. This should not scare you at all. It's a good shot. Those should not scare you. Here's how we approach it. Get a tee. A tee is fine. A ball marker is fine. A divot fixer is fine. Get one of these things. I'm gonna put the tee in right here where the middle of the ball is. So right where my ball is the middle of the tee. My goal is for that divot to start way over here, like a ball in front of the ball. So I'll take a practice swing here and take a little dirt up there. So your ball's here, you set up, bring your club back, take it back, practice swing, taking your divot way up there. Take it back, and I want to take it down, and I want to release up here, way in front of the ball. So my practice swings, set up here, take it back, boom. Set up, take it back, boom. And I'm checking it with that tee. You know, it's that far in front of the tee. One more time. Boom. Now hit the ball and check it with the tee. Good, so here's the tee. And here's my strike, here's my divot. So I know the ball was here. That's where the ball was. And the beginning of my divot is way after the ball. Right there. Set up, practice swing, divot way in front of the ball. Set up, practice swing, divot way in front of the ball. Fourth time, set up, and then do the exact same thing, but now hit the ball. Good, that was way up here. So there you go. It's just, all we're doing is finding the bottom of our arc and feeling it change and move forward. And then we could do that on the course with just some practice swings while we're playing. Don't put a tee down there, but just do that and just away from the ball and feel your club bottoming out way in front of the ball. With your wedges, your wedge game, this is gonna help so much. You're gonna start making solid, compressing contact with that ball, and you're just gonna control your shot so much better. Let me know how this works for you, okay? Work on this. Easy drill, sort of. Easy thought, tricky to do, but you can do it, all right? Let me know how it works for you. Let me know how you're compressing that ball, all right? I want to know. You're going to get more spin, more check on that. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the drill. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. We'll see you next time.